Introducing AMGO Safety Pool Cover. You are having a good time enjoying pool in the summer. But when winter comes, your pool becomes a liability. An unsupervised pool is an accident waiting to happen. Keeping a pool clean takes constant work because leaves, dirt, and other debris always seem to find their way in. Evaporation can significantly increase your water bill. Safety Cover helps you conserve water and reduce those costs. An icy pool isn't just an eyesore, it can lead to expensive repairs. A safety pool cover is more than just a cover. It's an investment in your peace of mind, your pool's longevity, and your family's safety. A safety cover doesn't just protect your pool. It transforms your pool into valuable backyard space during the off-season. 1,000 pounds load capacity, comes with reinforced straps spaced every 5 to 6 feet. Prevent leaves and debris from falling into the pool. Reduce water evaporation and prevent pooling water in rainy days. These aren't your average straps. We use reinforced, heavy-duty materials to ensure maximum safety and durability. We include all the heavy-duty stainless steel hardware for a quick and easy installation. Measure about 24 inches from the pool's edge. Drill a hole. Unscrew the head from the shaft. Insert the anchor socket into the shaft and hammer into the ground. Screw the ground bolt head back into the shaft. Connect the strap to the ground, bolt with tensioning spring. Adjust the tension, and now you have a safety cover.